Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to share with you how I transform my kitchen. And guys, this is the before, the way the kitchen was. And guys, I'm going to change it to something that very new and modern to me. And guys, some people like the oak cabinet, me I don't. And guys, the first thing I'm doing in this kitchen is to change my lighting and change the countertop. Guys, I wanted something that I don't have to spend too much money. I'm going to change the countertop and using epoxy. And guys, to do something like that, if you hire somebody to do it, they're gonna charge you a lot of money. So like I always say in my videos, you can always hire somebody if you want. But me, I wanted to do it by myself. And guys, it's a try and error. So it's the first time I'm going to do it. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. But guys, I wanted to do it by myself. And guys, those chairs, I'm gonna keep them for now. They were gifted to me by my sister. And I don't have anything yet to replace them. But they're kind of cute. And as you can see, I still have my winter placemat. I'm going to change the color of the cabinets. And guys, I'm going to do the DIY on the countertop and guys, the light. And that's the thing that I love to do, changing my lighting. And this one was from the dining room. And I move it here because it's kind of flush to the ceiling. It's best for me because of my special needs son. This is a high traffic area, so it's perfect for me to put there. So guys, if you have an island, you can always put something longer, but me, that's what worked for me for my kitchen at this present moment. Guys, I'm going to place all the crystal. And I love light, guys. This chandelier have 10 lights. So for some people it's too much, but for me it's everything. Because I love when my house is bright and I don't know, that's my liking. So it's not for everybody. So if you are someone that don't like a lot of light, you can always put fewer, but me, that's what I like. As you can see guys, even if nighttime, it's brighter than daylight. I just like it. So I can see everything and it's beautiful and it changed the way my kitchen look. Okay guys, moving on to the next part. And the company sent over to me this backslash, and this is a video collab guys. They sent me over those backslash, and this one is nice, and they sent me other ones. So I'm going to leave the link of the description box down below. If you want something like that to upgrade your kitchen, make sure to check the box down below. The look that I'm going for guys is a white and gold, black and silver. I'm going to add all those colors to my kitchen. And guys, it's a perfect timing for this company that sent over to me this style for the backslash. And guys, they're super good. And if you're on a budget and you want something for your kitchen, you don't want to spend too much money, this one can be a very good option. So they have variety of styles and colors to choose from. If you don't like mine, you can always choose other one. Make sure to check the link down below if you are looking for some backslash, some tiles, and some other goodies for your home. So the link will be in the description box down below. Feel free to check them out. And guys, I'm going to start by removing the outlet covers because I wanted to add my backslash first. And I have to do some stop and return guys, so bear with me because it took me several days before I can make this video. I will take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, I do product review, clean with me, DIY, home decor. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Since I have two different type of tiles, I wanted to see which one I like better. So I tried the first one, the white one, to see, and it's very pretty, guys, but I want white and gold, so the other tile will go better with this decor that I'm going for. And I decided with the white and gold, and as you can see, guys, and easy, super easy to install. So you always measure where you're going to put it, and after that you cut. So this one is the start of the tiles. I just cut the unwanted part, and I'm going to remove the backing after that and install it. The way I do for my outlet, I just take the tile and press it down, press it firm, and like that I'll have the exact measure of the outlet that I need. So this part is optional, you can measure if you want, but me, that's the way I like to do it. And I'm going to show you a closer look how I do. It's super easy to install, guys. So once you have all the measurement that you need, and just peel the back and stick it, guys. And I really love it because it's so easy to do. It saves so much money. So if you're on a budget, like I said, this one can be a super good option. So it's super nice, and guys, I like it. And the link will be in the description box down below. Feel free to check it out if you are looking for something like that. Okay, guys, moving on to the connector, guys. I'm using contact paper. The reason why I do, because I'm going to add epoxy on top of it. I watched so many videos how people do it, so I wanted to challenge myself to do it. And like I said, it's a trial and error. I didn't know how it would turn out. I want something, if I mess up, I can remove it easy. So that's why I didn't put it on the top of the counter. But this one is super easy. So if you are somebody that's trying, you can always try like this. If anything doesn't go the way you want, you can always remove it. So that's why I like it. And if you want to keep it for a long time too, you can. If you want to remove it, it's not going well, you can as well. So that's the reason I like it this way. And like I said, guys, that's something I'm going to do temporary. I might change it, I might not, I don't know. But guys, so far so good. And if you want a budget and you want your home to look extremely expensive and beautiful, so this one can be a super good option. I already did this side of the countertop, and I'm going to do the other side. And guys, I like this contact paper because it's not busy. It's perfect. I like it. So it's large. You don't see any seams. You don't see anything. So I like it. It's your home. The way you maintain it, that's the good thing. So you can always, like I said, like spend the money if you want, if you can. But me, that's what worked for me, and I really like it. Like my sister love hers because, like I said, till now she still had the same backslash, the same exact thing what I did for her. And the rental property too is the same thing. And guys, as you can see, the way I'm changing everything, and I really like it. I just went back, guys, to finish up my backslash. And guys, I added caulk. I didn't put it on the video. I didn't show how I did it. But guys, to have the clean, sleek look, that's what I did. And guys, I really love how it turns out so far. And this is the way I did the corner. And just to show you a closer look. Okay, guys, right now I'm dressing my cabinet, so to prevent the epoxy go on them, and because once the epoxy dry, so everything gonna be a mess. So that's why I make sure I double everything, so to prevent mess, to prevent anything that going to damage the cabinet. For the epoxy, guys, so I have my air purifier. You don't have to, because I already have it. I have to use it, and I leave the door open, and I'm wearing my mask. I just have to protect myself. I have this epoxy for quite a while, guys. It was from a collab that I did some time ago, and I didn't use that much because I only use it for floor arrangement. And right now I have the full gallon left, almost full gallon left, so I wanted to use it in my counter. And honestly, I like the result, so make sure to stay till the end of the video so you can see how everything turns out. After everything is set up, guys, you must use the heat gun, not air dryer, but heat gun to just remove all the bubbles. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. I really love how everything turns out. As you can see, my countertop, guys, very beautiful, and I love it. And everything just different, so beautiful. I love it. So what do you think? Let me know down below what do you think, if that's something you will want to do in your home. I'm a hold on till I can.